friends! At The Plastics Academy, we are very happy because you watch us, subscribe to the channel more and more, and also share this knowledge to people who could be interested about the subject. This time, I would like to speak to you about the Society of the Plastics Industry, SPI, now called the Plastics Industry Association, which in 1988 developed the resin identification coding system to separate plastic packaging waste, making recycling easier. At that time, they chose 7 numbers in order to distinguish all plastics that packaging industry uses as follows. We will see that this classification was short if we consider dozens of plastic materials that exist. However, in these almost 30 years, it has been helpful in order to separate common materials arriving at the landfill. In 2008, the American Society for Testing and Materials, ASTM, take the subject, launching in 2010 the D7611 standard in order to update this classification. The main change has been to place a solid triangle around the usual number instead of a triangle with chasing arrows that makes people think in mandatory recycling of products. So, number 1 signifies that product is made of polyethylene terephthalate, a very resistant plastic, but up to 60 degrees Celsius. Otherwise, it begins to lose stiffness. Number 2 is used for products made of high-density polyethylene, a material specifically good to resist a large number of chemicals with a maximum use temperatures between 80 and 100 degrees Celsius. Number 3 is used for products made of polyvinyl chloride, better known as PVC or vinyl, material that we can find both rigid and soft, and with an excellent transparency if desired, and a great resistance to abrasion, withstanding temperatures up to 60 or 70 degrees, depending on the type of material. Number 4 signifies that product is made of low-density polyethylene, a cheap and very flexible material that does not resist more than 60 degrees. Number 5 is used for polypropylene, a really cheap material that also resists chemicals and that can withstand up to 90 degrees Celsius. Number 6 signifies that product is made of polystyrene, a material in many cases rigid and transparent that can become very light by expanding it by the addition of pentane gas. This material withstands temperatures up to 70 degrees. Finally, number 7 is used for all other polymers, such as polycarbonate or polyamide, among many others. Unfortunately, companies are not forced to place these code numbers on their products. But why must we separate plastic waste? In fact, there are plastics chemically compatible between them and others that are not. That is why, if they were not separated, however clean they were, depending on the polymer mixture for manufacturing parts, molecules would split in front of us, leaving products unusual. Then, I invite you to recycle whenever you can for a cleaner world. Now I say goodbye, but not without telling you that nothing in life is worth if you don't give to others with full love and passion. See you next time!